Deliciously affordable, homemade creamy golden rice with spiced chickpeas recipe for beginners. Hello, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookery channel. Today, we're going to embark on a culinary adventure with a special treat, an affordable and beginner-friendly recipe for homemade creamy golden rice with spiced chickpeas. Not only is this dish incredibly delicious, but it's also easy on the wallet. So, let's dive right into the world of flavors. Before we get started, you'll need for this delightful recipe 1 cup of long grain rice, 1 can of chickpeas, 15 ounces, 1 onion, finely chopped, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 cup of frozen peas, 1 cup of coconut milk, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, ½ teaspoon of chili powder, adjust to taste, salt and pepper to taste, fresh cilantro for garnish. Now that we've gathered our ingredients, let's move on to the step-by-step preparation to create this mouth-watering dish. Preparation, Part 1, Rice and Chickpeas. Step 1, begin by cooking 1 cup of long grain rice according to the package instructions. While the rice is cooking, let's move on to preparing the spiced chickpeas. Step 2, in a pan, heat a tablespoon of oil over medium heat. Add the finely chopped onion and minced garlic. Sauté until the onion becomes translucent and releases its aromatic fragrance. Step 3, now, add the can of chickpeas, make sure they're drained and rinsed, to the pan. Stir well, allowing the chickpeas to absorb the flavors and develop a beautiful golden color. This should take about 5 minutes. While the chickpeas are cooking, let's check on our rice. Make sure it's cooked to perfection, fluffy and ready to soak up all the delicious flavors we're about to introduce. Preparation, Part 2, Creamy Golden Rice. Step 4, once the rice is done, set it aside. In a separate pot, we're going to create the golden base for our creamy rice. Combine 1 cup of coconut milk, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and ½ teaspoon of chili powder. Give it a good stir, creating a vibrant and aromatic mixture. Step 5, bring this delightful concoction to a gentle simmer. Once it's simmering, add the cooked rice to the pot. Preparation, Part 3, bringing it all together. Step 6, it's time to reunite our spiced chickpeas with the creamy golden rice. Add the chickpeas, sautéed onions, and garlic to the pot. Season the entire dish with salt and pepper to taste, allowing the flavors to dance harmoniously. Step 7, let everything mingle and cook together for an additional 5 to 7 minutes. Garnish the dish with a generous sprinkle of fresh cilantro. Not only does it add a burst of color, but it also elevates the overall flavor profile. And there you have it, our homemade creamy golden rice with spiced chickpeas. A delicious and affordable masterpiece that's perfect for beginners. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. The creamy texture of the rice, coupled with the spiced chickpeas, creates a culinary experience that you won't soon forget. Garnish with fresh cilantro, and you're ready to enjoy a flavorful meal that won't break the bank. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel for more tasty creations, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy cooking! Thank you very much, creamy golden rice with spiced chickpeas lovers.